What's up, guys? This is going to be a short video about me unboxing my NCM ASPEN fat bike, electric fat bike. All right, I want to say it again. N as in Negro, C as in colored, and M as in monkey. Now I'm just playing. NCM ASPEN electric fat bike. Now, one of the issues I want to explain to you guys right off the bat was that this front wheel came out of the box dirty. There was dust and dirt on the treads, on the tire treads there. This is the seat that came with it. It had grease smudges on it. Now, this is right out of the box. Grease smudges on it. And I can see that the rims are slightly dirty. Even though it's black, it's hard to tell with this camera. And also here, the rear wheel is dirty. I can clearly take dust and dirt off of the rear wheel. Now that makes me feel like, were these used tires that they're throwing on here? I mean, because even the B and the CST here, the numbers here are all dirty. They're not clearly white. So where the hell were they keeping these tires? In some dusty warehouse waiting for the order to put the bike together? I mean, I should have known better when it says it was made in China. I'm sorry. It is what it is. Their quality control for a lot of things is not on point at all. This is the bike so far. I'm getting ready to put the handlebar on. What I did like so far was everything was packaged pretty well in the box. All right. It came with an instruction manual specific to the bike. You see NCM ASPEN right there. And the other thing I liked about what they did was they gave a pretty decent tool pack, man. Pretty decent toolkit. Now, okay, this is just my initial impressions. Don't ask me anything about the bike just yet. Just my initial impressions. Dirty wheels, and in this instance, the rear wheel, the lettering is discolored. So that's not good right off the bat. That means wherever they're storing their stuff and where it's a dirty, dusty warehouse that they didn't even take the time to wipe it down before they ship the product. So if this is what direct to consumer means, then just something to keep in mind. All right, and the reason why I'm making this complaint, you guys might say, oh, that's not a big deal, it's a little bit of dirt. Well, it's a telltale sign for from their manufacturer that their quality control is off. Once again, the lettering here is off color. It's not even white the way it's supposed to be, like it's a used tire. And for all I know, these are used tires. I mean, so I'm gonna make a call to Leon Cycle and report this. I have had a Walmart bike, guys, that was $150 shipped to my door, that came cleaner and in better condition as far as the dirt and the staining of tires, and also having grease on the seat right out of the box. So this is just my initial impressions of unboxing the NCM ASPEN fat bike. All right. When I get it together, I'll take you guys out on the first ride and everything else with it. All right. Rant Roller out.